I've had a persistent cough since November, lasting 6 whole months. It got so bad that my husband had to sleep on the couch because I coughed constantly, especially at night. I'm anxious about medical issues and avoided the doctor, fearing bad news. I finally went, convinced I had lung cancer from one puff of a cigarette 15 years ago. After a day of anxiety and panic attacks, the doctor checked me and found it was just allergies. They prescribed an over-the-counter nose spray, and to my surprise, the cough was gone within a day. I regret not going to the doctor sooner and suffering for so long. My husband can finally sleep in our bed again, and I've learned to face my medical fears.